Howdy folks, we've got another kit for you today. It's something tiny. This kit is for construction barriers and barricades and plastic barriers and some cones. It's made by Meng. It's for 1/35 scale for dioramas and stuff. All you get inside the kit is one sprue, which contains the barriers, which are all plastic. I've taken one off so I can have a better look. These are ones that are casted with a texture, so that you can use these as plastic barriers. But a nice thing about this kit, these two missing parts here are two barriers that you can cast your own barriers out of casting material. So simple as just put these together. Use some clamps. I find doing it this way gives it a little stand. Put your casting material in there, which is like a plaster Paris or casting powder mixture. I've used a casting powder, which is like a form of plaster Paris, but it's made for casting. Put your mixture in. The casting powder I use has got some weird name on it, I can't pronounce it, but it's the thicker the material, the harder it becomes, the softer, the more water it is, the softer it will be. So you put material in, give it a couple of bangs to get some of the air bubbles out, put it to one side. The curing time for the casting material I use is 20 minutes, so it's pretty good. As I say, we'll go back to this. These barriers here are ones that you fill with water. These ones here are the supposedly the cast concrete barriers. You get some cones. Like I say, with this, put your material in, and what the material looks like this. You may think this is all dented and chipped and cracked. Yes, you are correct. The reason being is because I took it out the mould a little bit too early, so it's still a little bit soft. But to my advantage, it allows for weathering and the barrier to be beat up. This piece completely come off, but how I fix that is some PVA glue, put it into place, and it holds it into place perfectly fine. We will get a seam line. You can either clean this up or leave it. I think it would be perfectly fine, because in the real world when they make these, they're done the same way with two giant moulds, and they pour the concrete in, separate the moulds, and then the barrier comes out. If you want to do it like it is on the box with these rings, you may carefully want to drill into the top and then place some wire. I've gone ahead and made one and painted it already. So this is one that is painted and what it can potentially look like. This one's painted, weathered, and it's got a little bit of beat up. This side's got a crack in it, got a little bit of weathering on it. So this is painted in sky grey as a base, and then I've gone over with some chipping effects in RF sea grey. I've used a buff on the bottom, and then I went over with some washes from UMP, which is concrete wash, which is ideal for this because this is a concrete barrier. Some Tamir panel line washes, browns and blacks, wipe them away, and this is what the result can come out like. You can cast as many as you want. Once they've been built, you can put them into a row to make a line of barriers and stuff. So yes, a pretty cool kit in my opinion. A little kit from Meng for some barriers and stuff. The instructions for putting together and paints is on the other side. Like I mentioned, this is the casting one and this is the plastic ones. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.